Send a picture.
Hi, I'm Jessica.
Hi, I'm Jasmine.
I guess we're recording. And we're about to go out downtown LA for our first time. We don't know where we're going.
But we're getting VIP, so that's all that matters.
Yes. Yeah. We're at the Marriott.
Residence Inn, the nice one.
Yeah. With no ice, because we had to ask like 6 times. No ice! Don't stay at the Residence Inn.
They suck!
Yeah. But we're going downtown for our first time ever. And we would record it, but my video camera is at Knoxville in San Diego. So
Mine might record though.
but we're not bringing the laptop.
Not that
But we will definitely come back and tell you how our night went.
With Clyde Mason, most likely.
Yeah.
Unless he's banging some cute bitch.
Okay, this might be our last video before we go back to the nightlife. But if it's not, then see you later. If it is, then goodbye.